This is a what's in the box for My Little Scythe, a 1 to 6 player game that's like a family-friendly scythe-ish board game, ages 8 plus, 45 minutes. So it's good with some really awesome art, I will say. So it comes with a organizer for an expansion that they're planning, I guess. Rule book, Automa achievement sheet, which is cool. Painting guide, so if you want to paint your miniatures, which I've heard it's some of the most difficult miniatures to paint in board games, at least from some people. You get these sheets, which I think could have actually been done better. I don't know. I mean, they're kind of flimsy. They do look cool, but the board, which I'm not going to fold out for you because I have a static camera, but you can see, I mean, you can see pictures of it elsewhere. The tiles and pies and everything, which there's a few of them. Tiles that you end up, I think, drawing for upgrades, if I remember right. Base camp tiles and trophy markers. The pie wheel. And the miniatures. Let's take a look at these. So in a really slick insert. So wow, these are amazing looking miniatures. Look at that. Let's put it up here. So these are really nice. Really, really nice miniatures. And they come with a nice insert for storing them. Oh, so that's, I guess that's how it's supposed to go. So let's take a look at a couple more up close. Like this one's one of the more detailed ones. So I like that they made them all unique and colored the bases so that each player has like a unique feel, and you don't have to put those stupid rings on the bases. Yeah, let's look at this. Wow, that is really cool looking. These are nice quality. They feel like they might be resin miniatures. I'm not sure. So Stonemaier Games really knocked it out of the park with the production on that. Some actually really good dice. Some cool Apple tokens. Some, I guess, nice gems, I'd say. And I guess okay pawns, normal board game pawns. And I haven't taken the cards out, but good quality cards. What are these? Oh, these are the things to assemble the pie wheels. So there you have it. That's what's in the box for My Little Scythe. And I think they did a great production on this board game, as usual from Stonemaier Games. I think they have some of the best overall production quality in the board game industry. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, and please take a look at the other videos and subscribe.